Which VMware software as a service (SaaS) tool is used for bulk workload migrations? Option A. VMware Secure Networking. Option B. VMware Cross Cloud Services. Option C. VMware NSX Cloud. Option D. VMware NSX Hybrid Connect. The correct answer is option B. From which two locations can an ISO be used to deploy a VM? Choose two. Option A. URL. Option B. Content library. Option C. Workload data store. Option D. vSAN data store. Option E. Client-side desktop. The correct answer is option B, C. What can happen when SXI host in a VMware cloud on AWS cluster fails? Option A. A new host is added to the cluster, and data from problem host is rebuilt or migrated on the new host. Option B. VMware Site Recovery initiates a failover of the host. Option C. A new host is failed over to another availability zone. Option D. Administrators are notified to add a new host to the cluster and to run the reprotect workflow. The correct answer is option B. What would happen to a VM on an SXI hosting a VMware cloud on AWS cluster when a network failure is detected on the host? Option A. The cluster is put into maintenance mode. Option B. Hybrid link mode migrates VMs to a new data center. Option C. On another host, the VM is powered on with vSphere. Option D. VM on that host is migrated to the protected site as specified in the recovery plan. The correct answer is option A.